Loads of sticks here. This is a really good one.
Good man, bring them up.
Cotton wool.
Right, if you gather what you can, and we'll build from the inside out. To build a bonfire, you must have permission from the landowner and always have an adult with you to safely light and put out the fire.
That's a tree corner.
See all that dry hay on the ground?
Like
Any
here?
bits like that you can scrape up would be wonderful.
Okay, that was the last one. Time to start the fire.
One of the great things is, from our very own campfire, I have brought an old piece of a burnt log. If we can get a spark onto this and it'll hold, we can bring a glow onto this, and it's called a fire dog. And just like we carried from our campfire, we're bringing our solstice fire up to the top of this hill.
Yes, I can see it. We got it, we got it. We got it. Whoa. Don't burn your hand.
Let's get it in.
Yay.
Oh, hopefully it'll do its job. Oh, the lovely dry hay, look.
Whoa.
Okay, I'm going to stand back because that's very warm.
I can feel a barrier.
And it's actually going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, and then it's going to get warmer and warmer and warmer. This is our solstice fire, so what we should do is, in our minds, just make one simple, happy wish to carry us through the whole year. I know what I'm going to think of. Got it. And into the fire it goes. I can actually feel the heat from here.
I can feel the heat. Oh my God, you can. Oh, and you can imagine being nearly at the hill.
You should have brought up all your wet socks and we could have dried them.
Oh, yeah. Like 5 seconds, it's dry. When we were coming, I thought we were gonna do a bonfire because it's summer solstice, but I didn't imagine it would be as big as that. It was just really cool to watch.
And what colour do you want? Wow, that one is browning nicely.
That is.
You want to share that one with me, Elena?
No. End of day 2. It's been really fun. I'm sad that it's gonna be over soon.
But guys, what an amazing evening for the solstice. Our food, our dancing, our celebrations for an evening like this evening. It's been an absolute great adventure, isn't it?
No!
You'll definitely never forget this one.